Shiba holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Friends, once again I'm present with the latest update of Shiba. So what's going on this time in Shiba? My friends, this video is going to be very special, going to be very urgent for all Shiba holders. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Now if you look at the currently price of the Shiba this time in the market, so the current price is 0.00009 USD dollar. That's the current price of the Shiba. Other side, if you look at the BTC Bitcoin price of the Shiba, 0.00 Bitcoin price of the Shiba Inu. And if you look at the market cap, 24 hours volume of the Shiba, so absolutely it's gonna good, my friends. Available supply, total supply of the Shiba, you can see now on the screen. The all details is present on the screen, my friends. On the other side, if you look the price change occur in the Shiba, so the last 1 hour, last 24 hours, last 1 week price change occur in the Shiba is going positive, and I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Shiba. My friends, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Let's see the price chart. Oh my god, the price chart is again missing here. But my friends, my prediction, the urgent alert is this, that maybe, my friends, there is a chances in the future to the price of the Shiba is falls down in the few hours. In the few hours, there is chances to the price falls down. But you have to hold, my friends. If you hold, so absolutely there is a lot of chances to you will get a good amount of profit. Anyways, what's your opinion? What is your prediction about Shiba? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.